he seemed to have been frantic to get money in, but also you'd have to ask the question, did he sometimes enjoy what he was doing? Did he get some kind of a kick out of it? These are things that we have to consider, because a lot of fellas in the GA would say to me as well, DJ wasn't very intelligent. And I used to find this interesting, because I'd say to them, well, for a fella who didn't really know what was going on, he certainly was able to stay many steps ahead, because this is going on a long time. He was telling people about this brain tumour years ago. The first mention of cancer, I said to you, was 2003. So for a guy that was such a pleb, and people laughed when I phoned them, they said he was, how's your comic book coming along? They said to me, sure, you know what DJ is like, sure, Eimear, you must know. Because I've spent half my life almost employed in a local radio station where I hear a lot of things. I'd hear stories. And when I'd sometimes ask about DJ, ask some of his colleagues about him, they say, the man of mystery. That's one phrase I would have heard from a good friend of his over the years, that you'd never quite know, because DJ could be in the IT in Carlow, as it was then known, the SETU, training the hurlers, and did a fantastic job there, was well got, people respected him. But a coaching session typically might command for somebody at his level maybe €250 to do a coaching session with a bunch of guys. But DJ'd come into the canteen and announce he was off maybe to the Masters, or he was off to the Super Bowl. There were things that didn't make sense. There were contradictions there always. With DJ. There were times as well when people felt really sorry for him. I mean, guys absolutely loved him because of his hurling. So he'd borrow cars from them, he'd need to fill a petrol or diesel. This stuff is mind-boggling. And then when we come towards recent years, the stories that I was hearing from people on the ground, DJ Carey's homeless. DJ Carey, and excuse my language, hasn't got a pot to piss in, but yet DJ Carey checked into the Lyrath Hotel for about 7 weeks when he didn't have anywhere else to go and when things were tough for him.